Bermane Stiverne going to Russia to fight Alexander Povetkin, WBC Eliminator, this Saturday. Ego Purses. What up, Fight World? It's your boy Ego, and I'm back with some more boxing. Back with a little bit of Ego Purses. Let's get it in and talk about some purses for this upcoming fight. Now, this is a pretty quiet fight. I'm looking forward to it. Bernard Hopkins is also fighting this weekend against Joe Smith Jr. And for the Stiverne-Povetkin clash, Povetkin-Stiverne, this went to a purse bid. They weren't able to agree, the two teams. Don King promotes Bermane Stiverne. Alexander Povetkin is promoted by World of Boxing, or WOB, and they won the purse bid, the Povetkin side. They bid $3.1 and some change million to secure this fight. That's why they placed it in Russia, giving their fighter Povetkin the hometown advantage. Now, since this is an eliminator, let me back the train up. Povetkin was the #1 challenger for Deontay Wilder's belt. Then he tested positive. The fight was supposed to happen with Deontay Wilder. Wilder was going to come over to Russia in order to fight Povetkin, and Povetkin failed a drug test with a banned substance that they make in Russian pharmacies called meldonium. And they had to clear that up and investigate. They sent Wilder home. He instead fought Chris Arreola, got injured in that fight. He's rehabilitating his hand, coming back in 2017, maybe fighting Hughie Fury. Winner of this fight, Stiverne-Povetkin, Povetkin-Stiverne, is in line and the #1 challenger. But the WBC, when they did their ruling, they let him slide based on the fact of the meldonium that Povetkin tested positive for. It was newly banned as far as this year, January 2016, I believe it was banned. So there was no conclusive way to determine when he ingested that, and because of that gray area, they let him slide, but they put an extra clause on it. Now you're not the #1 mandatory right away, straight away anymore. You got to fight the #2 guy, which is Bermane Stiverne, and then after you guys scrap, the winner of that is in line. So they put up a little hurdle or obstacle course, you know what I mean, as a result of the failed drug test, and that's kind of where it sits. So fast forward to the future, it went to a purse bid. $3.165 million is the amount that Povetkin's promoter bid. He outbid Don King, and he secured the rights. The fight's happening in Russia. Stiverne's confident. He says he's going to go for the knockout. He wants to get his hands on Deontay Wilder for a rematch. And obviously Povetkin wants the same thing. So since it's an eliminator, the split is 50-50, which means based on the pot, they're both getting $1.4 million a piece for this particular fight. So definitely some good money in Russia. Not to mention, they put in an escrow account $316,500 into a separate account, kind of like the UFC does, and the winner of the fight will get that added to their paycheck. So they're looking at 1.7-1.8 million when it's said and done, whoever wins the fight. But the split as is $1.4 million. So I mean, both guys are winning with that, you know what I mean? And they'll get another big payday if they fight Deontay Wilder. So definitely some good incentive. I think that's a phenomenal payday for this fight. 1.4, you know what I mean? Almost 1.5 million, plus the winner getting a win bonus of 316,000. So shout out to WOB, the Russian promoter. They put up some good money to make this fight happen, and now we're getting it this Saturday. Let me know what you guys think. Ego Purses, Alexander Povetkin versus Bermane Stiverne. Who wins? Drop that in the comment section. Make sure you share the video, like the video. As always, hate, comment, and subscribe. Till next video, is Ego signing off. So if you enjoyed this video and want more content like this on the channel, you can show your appreciation by going to the PayPal donate button or the YouTube support button, and you can donate any amount that you feel is equivalent to the value of this video. Much more to come. Thank you guys for your support. Boxing Ego, the future of boxing.